go.
So here's a little update of my PC. I got everything switched over to the Lian PC 011 Dynamic, and I love this case. It's amazing. So right here I have the Asus Gtx 1080. This vertical GPU bracket here is actually a Coolermaster GPU bracket, and it actually bolts right in and fits perfect. So that was only like $35, I believe. Not a bad price. I have the Corsair RAM up here. Got 4 sticks, 3200 megahertz. I have the Corsair H150 AIO. These are some sleeves here just to make it red. The Lian Strimmer cables. So I have the 24 pin and then the 8x2 pins there. And then of course these are the Corsair LL 120 fans. This right here, the motherboard, is the Asus Maximus Xcode. A really good motherboard. I love that motherboard. CPU, Intel i7-8700K. And then I have a, the power supply is the EVGA Supernova. It's the 850 80 plus Platinum. And right now I have the glass off so I can show what it looks like. But yeah, it's it looks great. Right now I just kind of have all the lights going. And then also, so I have in the back the Corsair Lighting Node Pro and then the Corsair Commander Pro. The LED lights that the Corsair comes with are great. They're good. But I bought these waterproof strips off of Amazon, and the lights on them are amazing. They are way brighter than the Corsair ones, and I just like how they look. Like if I have the rainbow effect on, they look really good. They're super bright. Actually, you can see I just have 2 fans sitting down there, but you can kind of see if I can get it under there. You can kind of see how it is there. But yeah, I just have 2 fans sitting here. I'm kind of blowing air up and through the case just because of the way I have those fans positioned. It does help cool it down a few degrees. I have moved my computer into my living room. That's where I am most of the time. So I built a shelf here. I have some of my chargers, remote, stuff like that. Just some of my stuff down there, Assassin's Creed crap. And then my monitor is over here. But yeah, just a quick little update. I will put everything that I have in this computer in a link down, or in the description down below. So if you're interested in anything, yeah. But I play mostly Assassin's Creed Odyssey. I play at 4K. I get steady 60 FPS, no stutters, no nothing. Plays great. And yeah, everything is fully customizable. I just got these Corsair RAM here. So yeah, any questions, leave a comment down below.